Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. Today we will present about building refurbishment of Tadika dan Taman Asuhan Kanak-Kanak Uitm Shah. Before we begin our presentation, I will introduce myself. My name is Shah Mimi Betty Sazali and my group consists 6 members which is including Sharifah Nur Adlin, Muhammad Fatih Syarkawi, Muhammad Hakim bin Abu, Muhammad Nurfahan bin Burhan, Muhammad Afiq Afnan and Abdul Rahim bin Wahab. So this is poster that we have made. We have prepared 2 posters. For the first poster, we have included all the information related to the kindergarten refurbishment process. Besides, we can see also the rendering picture of the outside kindergarten after the refurbishment. For the second poster, we have included all the drawing related to the refurbishment process and also the interior picture after rendering. So let's wait for the first part, which is project specification. For this part, we have site information, client information and also project information. Let's see to the site information. Tadika and Taman Asuhan Kanak-Kanak University Technology Mara is one of the building located at Uitm Shah Alam, Selangor, Darul Ihsan. The building was built on 15 August 1978 with a total area is 2048.94 meters square. By 2020, the age of this building has reached 41 years and is categorized as an international building UiTM. The location of the building near to the complex Kolam Renang, College Teratai and also Balai Polis Bantuan UiTM. So next, we will see about the client information. For the client information for the refurbishment and adaptation project, the client is Tadika and Taman Asuhan Kanak-Kanak Uitm Shah Alam. The company is involved in various repair and adaptation projects. This is due to the lack of the children needs in this Tadika. But change to build layout can make the building more attractive. There are also various factors that contribute to their decision to suggest a new building style.
As for the project info, the project title proposed the renovation and adaptation of Tadika and Taman Asuhan Kanak-Kanak Uitm Shah Alam. This project is being to provide an upgraded kindergarten for high-end consumer. The budget of this project is to be estimated around 2 million. The budget including the ongoing cost of construction, operation and running costs and followed by the demolition work. For second part, chronology of design development. For conceptual design, the design of this kindergarten architecture is inspired by 2 types of kindergarten in the country and overseas, which is Green Building Odyssey, the Global Preschool City Eco Park, Malaysia, and Farming Kindergarten Bia Hua, Vietnam. For the characteristic of green building is minimal damage to natural habitat, adaptive reuse of older building, efficient space application, and for contemporary architecture, the characteristic is unconventional content, clear and open interior, flat roof, outdoor zone, geometric simplicity, and peace with nature. Okay, here we show some zoning and bubble diagram for first floor, Block A, Block B, and Block C. Most of the space at Block A, Block B, and Block C is private part because there is located the classroom for the kids. For the third part of this poster, building specification, we have estimated the cost for the refurbishment project and we have divided to 8 parts, which is provisional, preliminaries, demolition work, new work, fitting and furnishing, roadway, landscape, mechanical and electrical. We have estimated the total amount of this project is 2,340,920 ringgit. For the building service system in the building, we have provided communication, telephone and its network, lighting, the daylight and artificial lighting, refrigeration, which is air conditioner, fire detection, energy supply and water supply. For architectural component, there are several elements that we have changed the originality, which is roof, column, ceiling, floor, staircase, wall and wall partition, door and window.
So for my part, I will describe about material finishes and equipment. So let me proceed with material finishes. For all wall in this building, we put a painted wall finishes. Can give more interest for kids and also for the staff occupants in the building. So also we put wall timber cladding and also wall acoustic board. We put in the music room, which is we need to don't want the music go out from the room, right? So the ceramic wall finishes we are put in toilet, okay, and artificial grass carpet. We try install in indoor playground, so the kids can play without any injured. Okay, so another one, floor timber strip finishes, and the last one, carpet floor finishes we put in the main office, okay, office room. So we proceed with equipment. Okay, equipment just like furnitures. So indoor playground, we put window binder and also fences to save the space for kids. We put mini goal posts, playground slides, and also bench for them. And the other room is AV room. We just put mounted LCD projector, LCD screen, sound system, office desk, and auditorium folding seat. Okay, for music room, we put furniture such as stage curtain, acoustic drum, guitar, drum kit, piano, music stand, wireless microphone system, and lighting system. So for prayer room, surau, movable wall partition with the between men and females, bookshelf, prayer mat, and prayer mat rack, okay, to put a prayer mat. And the last one is office room. We put filing cabinet, computer, office desk, coffee table, decorative house plant, flat screen TV, water dispenser, waiting seat, and a sofa set, and the reception L-shaped desk. Okay, so this of course the fulfillment for requirement in main office.
So I will present the demolition and new work plan at the ground floor Tadika. Okay, totally we changed the function of the room in the area, which is in classroom 2, dining for non-staff, transit bay, kitchen, and activities room 1 and 2. For the classroom 1 and 2, we'll change the function to the surau, big surau. And for the dining for non-staff, we change to the indoor playground. And for the dining, we give the small area at the right side of the indoor playground. And for the kitchen, the wall at the middle of the kitchen will demolish and we make more big area. And for the activities room, the wall between activities room 1 and 2 will demolish and change to the AV studio. And for the transit room, we change the function to the music classroom. Okay, so we can see here this new ground floor plan light. Okay, for the surau, indoor playground, dining for non-staff, kitchen, music classroom, and AV studio.
Moving on to the drawing of the building. Firstly, for the site plan, the red tagging line will be indicating about the new works proposed, and the blue one will indicating about the demolished work. So for the new works proposed is the new painting area, changing the existing playground at the site. The purpose is to have a greener environment and to expose the student about the activity of gardening and so on. Next is for the level 1 plan. The wall between hallway and guest room and the wall between hallway and general office will be demolished. For the door at the general office and mini meeting room and toilet will also be demolished. And for the proposed door and windows, firstly, new single flush door at the guest room. Next, new single flush door at the bathroom and toilet. Next, the new double glass door will be proposed at the office. Next, new double glass door will be proposed at the new meeting room. Next, the new panel sliding door glass will be proposed between the hallway and dining to restroom. Next, new single flush double acting door will be proposed at the staff office, and for the window, we'll be using a new window casement with trim, sizing about 915 mm times 15 to 5 mm. So this is the new plan of the level 1 of the Tadika. For the section of the plan, firstly we begin with section XX. Cut the X-axis section, and we can see the beam of the roof area, the stairs in the Tadika, and the description about the roof slope about 40 degree, and the doors and window follow to the door and window schedule, and the brick wall of 230 mm with 20 mm thick cement plaster on both sides finished to ceiling. Next, for the section YY, there will be cutting in the Y axis to show the beam, roof beam, and then the doors and window to refer the doors and window schedule, which you can see there will be consisting about 44 casement window trim sizing about 915 mm times 1125 mm, and then fixed window 0915 mm times 610, and about 14 in total.
Okay, so this new elevation plan. So we have, you can see, this is north elevation, south elevation, east elevation, and west elevation. Okay, for the door schedule, okay, totally door used in this Tadika is 76 pieces and have 4 types, which is a single flush double acting, double glass door, and panel sliding glass door.
This is the perspective view from the exterior building of the Tadika, which can see there is not much change because most of the refurbishment are done inside the building. This is the indoor playground. It has many equipment such as sliders, monkey bars, artificial fields, and others. This can ensure children can enjoy playing with much more convenient equipment inside, with more better surveillance from the gardens. This is the AV room where the learning session can be taught by using more interactive methods, such as the use of LCD projector to broadcast more modern learning material to the children, so the children will adapt to the new age of modern learning technique. This is the music room where the children can learn more about music instruments. There are also a small stage that can encourage them to conduct a performance to develop their creativity and confidence level. This is the prayer room, which the kid, the teacher, and other people can perform their prayer, and also it can conduct a learning session in here. There are a decorative partition to separate the gender in here. This is the view of the more capacious and user-friendly office area, which include reception area and waiting area for the guests. The picture on the left below shows the workplace for the staff, and above it, the head office.
As conclusion, this building will be refurbished to give more advantage to all students, staff, lecturers, and other people that come to Uitm Shah Alam. This building is completely changed its layout. Previously, this Tadika and Taska Uitm Shah Alam is an education place, and now it proposed to change it into a new layout with is more interesting for children. For this project, this building will change floor, wall and other services. So the budget that had to spend for this project are overall 2,314,920 ringgits. These are including demolish work, new work and other equipment that we install in the building, maintain this building as it is. They must prepare maintenance plans like in this report. For example, as a planning, the maintenance team have guideline on the preventive maintenance. The team also did a daily routine for maintenance check-in to supervise any breakdown. The team also lay out the maintenance program. The program need to cover all the building services and system manage this building and upgrade the performance. The students and children should that went to this building with increase a fee the rate of education of tasks. That's all from us. Thank you.